What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making probably one of the easiest recipes we ever had on this channel as far as ingredients. We're going to make a chuck tender roast, and we're going to do it on the air fryer. We're only using like 3 or 4 ingredients for this recipe. It's going to be really delicious, super simple. For those of you guys that are a little intimidated by cooking or the amounts of ingredients I use sometimes, this is going to be something that anybody can make, and it's going to be super easy. So let's get right to work. Okay, so I told you it was going to be easy. Look at the ingredients. There's absolutely nothing to this recipe. I'm using first Worcestershire sauce as our marinade. This stuff is great. If you don't use it on your meat, I highly recommend it. It's cheap, it's all natural, and it's delicious. I've been using this stuff forever. I have about a 2-pound grass-fed chuck tender roast. This is a nice little roast meat, piece of meat that people usually use just for that. Really, really delicious. It's pretty tender, not a lot of fat. I have some fresh pepper, garlic salt, and dried thyme. And that's basically all the ingredients that we're using. All right, so we're gonna marinate this right here. I'm gonna put first Worcestershire sauce. I'm doing generous amount, probably 4 to 5 tablespoons at least. This stuff, guys, like I said, even on your steak after it's cooked, you put this on it, it's absolutely delicious. It's so good. So I'm gonna do about a half a tablespoon of Lawry's garlic salt. And this is the only salt that will be on this, so you kind of want to use a decent amount, especially when you're roasting. It's not a very salty garlic salt. You could also use garlic powder and your own salt if you like. And then I'm using about a tablespoon or so of dried thyme. Now we're going to add about a teaspoon or so of black pepper, freshly cracked. And you can just set this aside for like 30 minutes to marinate. And then after that, you can put it in your oven or your air fryer like I'm doing. So we're going to set this aside, and we're going to come back and put it in our air fryer. Okay, guys, so it's been about 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and put our beef in our air fryer. I put it on the bottom rack here. A little bit of that juice over the top. Gonna give it about 20 minutes or so. Try to get it towards medium rare. So 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes at 350 degrees. You can see it cooking there. One of the things I love about this air fryer, you can actually see the meat while it's cooking. Okay, guys, so this should be about done. We'll go ahead and take it out. Bring it over to our cutting board, and we're gonna slice it. Okay, so I've let this rest for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. See what it looks like. There we go. Perfect medium. Looks really juicy. Look at that, guys. Like a medium towards a medium rare, maybe. Looks super tender. Look how great that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try for you guys. Looks beautiful, right? So there you have it, guys. There is my chuck tender roast cooked in the air fryer. Super easy recipe, as you guys saw. Let me know if you guys want to see more simple recipes like this. Not a whole lot of work and a whole lot of taste. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Okay, so I'm going to give this a try. Let you know how it is, guys. Let me see how it came out with. It smells really, really good. I was actually going to put some hot sauce on it, but I just want to have the real taste of it to give you an honest opinion. Wow. Simple is so good sometimes. This is really, really, really delicious, guys. I think this is the first time I might have actually cooked this cut of meat, but it's pretty cheap. I think I paid around $4, 4 and some change a pound. For grass-fed beef, that's amazing. They had an actual special in one of our local stores here. I think I'm gonna actually enjoy eating this more often.